Hey guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you what are Snap tokens and what they can be used for. You probably never heard of these, but I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to use them and get to them. So if you head over to your Snapchat app and go to profile in the top left corner, you can then scroll down to the very bottom and find My Tokens. If you click on it, you can buy some. So it's $1 for 80, $3 for 250, $5 for 500, and then $1,100 for $10. So with these tokens, you can help gift your favorite creators, and also it helps improve gameplay on certain games on Snapchat. So if you click the three dots in the top right, you can see what exactly are Snap tokens, and Snapchat tells you that they can be purchased from inside the Snapchat app, and tokens can be redeemed for gifts to send to creators. They can also be redeemed for digital goods within games to upgrade your gameplay experience. If you ever have any problems with Snap tokens, you can click the three lines again and click I have an issue with Snap tokens. It will go over a couple things on what could have happened whenever you purchase these Snap tokens or when you're trying to use them. But other than that, that's what Snap tokens are and how you can use them. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs, but I will see you in the next video.